Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get TradingView Premium for free using the official free trial available in 2026. If you've been wanting to explore the extra features before deciding whether to subscribe, this is an easy way to test them without paying right away. I'll walk you through each step so that you know exactly what to do. So to begin, open your web browser and visit the official TradingView website. And once you are there, sign in to your existing account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account first, since you'll need it before you can access any premium plan or trial. After you're logged in, find the option to upgrade your account. So depending on the version of the website you're using, this button is usually located near the top of the page or inside the main menu. So click it to open the page that shows all of the available subscription plans. So on the plans page, you'll see the different membership options such as Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. So each plan includes its own features and pricing. So take a moment to compare them and choose the one that you want to try. Higher plans generally include more charting tools, alerts, and other advanced features. Next, select the option to start the free trial for your chosen plan. TradingView may ask you to provide your payment details before the trial begins, so this is a normal part of the process even though you won't be charged immediately. So enter the required information carefully and make a note of when the trial ends so that you can decide whether to continue or cancel before any payment is taken. So once everything is complete, your free trial will be activated and you'll be able to use the premium features during the trial period. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.